This gonna be intense. We got Wrath Cobra versus Blizzard Thrasher. So this is gonna be intense. And as we're speaking right now, I'm putting this thing in the high mode because I forgot to do it, and forgot to switch it before I started the video. So we got Wrath Cobra versus Blizzard Thrasher. So we're gonna start off in the high mode. So we're gonna see how it goes. Boom. Hopefully this is not gonna be intense. But we're gonna see how it goes. And once again, we're back to the barrage attacks. Okay. And we got another bounce combo up our hand, so, you know. But this one should not be that hard. Alright. Okay. And yeah, man. Yeah, Wrath took that. Alright, that's one. Boom. Moment. Time Thrasher. Boom. Alright, big hit. Oh, big hit. Yo, big attacks. Oh, but Wrath ain't playing. Oh, Blizzard and Wrath takes it. Alright, that's two. Bro, what? Okay. Alright. No. Boom. And boom. Alright, ooh, big hits. Big attacks in a major way, dude. Oh, big hit with Wrath. Wrath should have the stamina advantage. And Wrath. Alright. That's three. If Wrath takes it again, I'll call it. And boom. Ooh, big hit. Bro, Wrath is hitting hard in a major way. But if Wrath takes it again, here, I'm gonna call it. Oh, big hit. A little bit of barrage attacks. Yo, it's trying to hang in there. It's trying to hang in there, but damn, dude, that was so close. I'm gonna have to give it to Wrath. I'm sorry. I think Wrath spun just a couple of seconds, I guess, inch of a second left. But yeah, man, I'm gonna call it there, man. Wrath takes the win over Blizzard Thrasher.